In a world where nature's beauty often feels distant, a unique art form bridges the gap between humanity and the environment: botanical printing. Botanical printing, also known as eco-printing, captures the essence of plants. This ancient technique involves using leaves, flowers, and natural dyes to create stunning imprints on fabric and paper. By pressing and steaming plant materials, artists can unlock vibrant colors and intricate patterns. Each piece tells a story, reflecting the unique characteristics of the plants used. Gathering plants for printing encourages a deeper relationship with nature. It teaches us to appreciate the diversity of our environment and the importance of preserving it. Workshops and community events bring people together to learn this sustainable art form. Participants discover how to utilize local flora, reducing waste and fostering a sense of community. By engaging with nature through botanical printing, we become stewards of the environment. This art form encourages us to plant more trees, protect local ecosystems, and inspire others to do the same. Each print is not just art, it's a statement about the fragility of our ecosystems and the need for protection. By supporting local artists and eco-friendly practices, we can help sustain the very resources that inspire this beautiful craft.
တဘာဝကြီးကအရန်ကိုအောင်စရာကောင်းပါလားတဘာဝကြီးကျမတို့ထိမ့်ပြရမှာပါလားဆိုမှစိတ်ထဲမှာဖြစ်သွားတော့အဲ့ကနေတဘာဝပေါင်းကြီးထိသိတဲ့ဖက်ကိုရောက်သွားတယ်အဲ့ဘက်ကအဲ့ကနေပဲကျမရဲ့ customer တွေကတဘာဝပေါင်းကြီးထိသိတဲ့တူကိုများသွားတာပေါ့နော်ဒီ handmade ချစ်တယ်ဆိုတာတဲ့တဘာဝပေါင်းကြီးထိသိကျင်တဲ့သူကကိုယ်ကအားပေးတဲ့သူတွေအများကြီးဖြစ်သွားတယ်ဆိုတော့တဘာဝကြီးကိုချစ်ပါသူအများကြီးကိုပြန်အများကြီးပြန်ပေးရတယ်